Good afternoon, everybody. This is Billy from Audio Pleasure Car Stereo Shop in Cape May, New Jersey, and it has come time for me to part with my 300-piece old school car audio collection. So I'm going to take you through and see if any of you guys have any interest in it. So, start right here. This is a Precision Power sub, brand new in the box. Model Pro 104. Got 3 brand new Panasonic subs, 10-inch in the box. Got some old Rockford end caps, bunch of different models. Got a couple Star Wars things if anybody's out there for Star Wars. Blaupunkt subs. These are the clear ones. So the cones are clear. The baskets are clear. They make lighting kits that go behind them so they light them up. I got a set in 12s. I got a set in 10s. I got Blaupunkt pancake subs. These are the ones that came with the aluminum style material. So I got 10 and 12 all brand new with the covers. Got a Kenwood sub, just a basic one, but it's old and it's brand new. Changer. Got me a 1008 D2 brand new Premier sub in a box. Zapco Symbol Link or something. I'm not a Zapco guy, I'm not sure what they do, but two of them. Mid-90s Soundstream components, reference N SPL series with crossovers and tweeters. Memphis tweeters, acoustic tweeter, sorry, crossovers, man I'm saying tweeter. Memphis crossovers. Acoustic crossover, audio control, some Soundstream, and the nice Sony 1000. Got me a Precision Power authorized dealer. I've been selling Precision Power for about 20 years. That's pretty cool. Don't know if I'll sell it. That's my torquer. Oh yeah. Bunch of connection pieces, steering wheel controls, iPod interfaces, changer cables from Blitz and all the OEM pieces. Satellite control, XM and Sirius from back in the day. Packages. Pioneer, which one's this? 6600 DVD. So it's a radio, the controller, the changer, the processor, the whole package with the cables. Another Pioneer package there. Alpine package there. I got me some Kenwood pullout. Pyramid alarm, brand new in the box. Kenwood with the face that flips around. I don't think that ever got used, brand new. JVC Chameleon, Clarion pullout, clips changer, and a whole mess of these. Alpine, Eclipse, Sony. These are all Kenwoods over here. Not sure, I might keep a few of them for myself. Precision Power dealer shirt. It's just a collar gray shirt for Precision Power dealers. I'm never going to use it. Solo Barrack 15s. And a whole bunch of door speakers and highs. So these are some Haflers. They're probably my oldest pieces. The mids are beat up, but it's all there. Crossovers and plates. Blaupunkt, the aluminum cone component sets. The old Pioneer footballs, different size speakers, JL, Infinity, Boston, Pioneer. These 2 Bostons, and I got 2 also brand new in the boxes. Some Advents, more Bostons in the box, brand new. Boston little square 4s, some Blaupunkt. Boston 5x7 brand new in the box, Cliff Design. Boston tweeters. The old Pioneer deck speakers, the old ones. That might be my oldest speakers. Kicker SS10, Lanzar, factory box. The one in the box, I believe, is the one that came factory. But these 2 other Lanzars, I believe, are older, but they can go in there if you want to buy the package. JBL full range. It's more JBL. Rockford with the box. Boston. Infinity Vega JL. I think they're WOs, might be W1s. These are the Blaupunkt light rings. They go behind the subs and the door speakers, and they're the things that make the light ring come through so you can see them. The speakers like those. MTX DJ speaker, 15-inch. Good old 1995 15-inch Terminator box. Ooh yeah. Top of the line. Some Rampage Kmart 100 watts, baby. Alright, these are Kenwoods Bostons. Made in Italy Bostons. I got 3 of them brand new. This one's out of the box. I don't know if you can still see the price when it was back then. Come on, baby. $5.49. I got this one, another one in the box, another one in that box. I got a couple amps here. Not sure if they work. I don't think these do. Unfortunately, the JBL, too bad. That's a nice one. But if you need parts, I got them. Alright, working amps. JL, MB Court, Kicker, Clips, Yamaha, Zapco, Old Pioneer, Rockford Kicker, Cadence, a couple kickers. So these are the 5 channels. These are another 5 channel, and I think that's a 1000 ZX kicker, gray stock certified. Some more kicker. Not sure what's up with this one with the bronze on it. It's the only kicker I've seen that has the bronze ends on it. I got some kicker end caps. That is a Memphis Bell. Not sure what model, but it's was $850 when it was new. Got the receipt from it, was new. Focal, that's newer. Crossfire back there. Infinity. Pioneer, California. Some more Memphis, couple of PPIs, different series. Old Kenwood Din, MCX, bunch of MCX, and this phase linear. Not too sure about that company. I never used their stuff before. I know it's good though. DI matching 4-channel and 2-channel. Panasonic. I think this is what they use to like compete with the Pioneer Dolphin radio. Very similar. New in the box, doubled in with all the pieces. I think this was an audio box. Can't remember. Acoustic. MCX Alpine 5-channel. MCX sub, new in the box. And this cream of the crop. That's top of the line right there. Pyramid, brand new. $150 retail. And I got that Orion. But who wants that Orion when you can have that? A couple matching audio bonds back there. Infinity. 3 matching X-Stance. I'm not sure the model, but they're all the same. I think that's a battery tender or isolator. Pioneer back there, Eclipse, Iphonics. Some newer things, Rockford, JL, Alpine. Old Sony right there, Rockford. Got me some broken amps. If you need some parts, I might have some more parts amps for you. So these are some old Rockford audio files. I actually have the sub box down there on the end, the box that came in. MCX, Kicker, Gold Letter, Hollywood, Extant. I got 3 of those. Some more old Punch, acoustic with the carbon fiber cone. MCX, empty audio bond box. MA Audio, JL, Kicker, Server Vega, Loud Punk, Jackhammers. Another Vega back there, Alpine, JL. I think there's another set of O1s, or maybe WOs. Momo. Got the cheesy ones here. Some MA Audio dealer hats. If you're an MA Audio guy, that's hats. Some more MCX. These are some Kenwoods. Boston G5. That's another Loud Punk with the clear cone. MCX, brand new in the box. And this is interesting. Soundstream. Looks like some kind of DJ speaker. Other than that, it might be real old. I don't know too much about this. Maybe somebody out there does. Sony Reds GS. Not sure what the, never familiar with that brand, but I heard of it before. Alpine, old Alpine. And radios. So I got pretty much every radio. Most of them are just medium level, nothing special. I got a lot of changers that go with them. Sony cassette new, Kenwood. Some Sony, Alpine. Alpine Power Pack. Not sure how old that is. Pioneer, including some din and a halves, and the double din with the cassette and CD. New cassette, old Premiere. Got it all there. This might be the first double din, the Avic D1. Some Pioneer guys might know that one. Dolphins. And 2 mint condition Eclipse 411 pullouts in awesome condition. And I got a bunch more of Eclipse. Some old other random stuff. I think that might be most of it. Oh, if you like Eclipse, it's not terribly old, but it's like the last good series before they went away. So they're Eclipse EA 2000s. If you like them, good thing, because I got 22 of them still sealed in the boxes from Eclipse. I got a few other pieces I'm not sure if I'm going to get rid of. That would be these 2 guys right here. These Eclipse, I'm not sure what years they are, but they might go into my car along with this copper chassis Premiere crossover. And those strokers. You're going to hold on to them for a little bit. So if you're into any of this stuff, there's another gold letter kicker in there. It was in there all its life, so it's in Premiere condition. I think that's all of it. So good news is it's all up for sale. What you probably won't like is that I don't ship. Too many scams out there. People getting robbed over stuff, so no shipping. I don't do any electronics. No Venmos or PayPals. My store's in South Jersey, so if you happen to be in the New Jersey, Delaware, New York, Pennsylvania area, I can also meet you in Philly. I'm about an hour and 45 minutes away from Philly. Or if you want to come to AC and make a night out of it, that's up to you, but it's all gone. So if nobody buys this stuff as far as collectors go, I'm going to start selling it to these dumbass Honda kids in my neighborhood, and they're going to hook their Scar 5000 up to it and blow this shit up. It's a shame to see all this stuff that's 25 years old getting wasted in a month, but it's all got to go. I got a show car, and right now it's sitting out there in the weeds when it should be in here. So it's all got to go. So I'm going to post a video of this, and if you can make it out here, awesome. If you know somebody who might live not too far from me, you send them here with the money. Doesn't matter. I can turn all this stuff on for you. Got power supplies and whatnot. Oh, I got one more thing. If you need remotes, I probably have it for every brand. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I covered everything. All right, see you online.